morning, children. In this chapter, how big, how heavy, we are here with another activity. And this is a very interesting activity. In this activity, we have to take identical cards. For example, you see these two cards are identical. It means their area is same. They both occupy the same space. And I had many cards like this. So with the help of these cards, I made different type of tubes. For example, this is a triangular tube. I divided the card into 3 equal parts. And you can see if I keep this card on this tube, I folded it and made a tube out of it. So this triangular tube has been made with this type of a card. Okay. Then I was supposed to make a square mouthed tube. This I made by drawing lines in such a manner that the card was divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I folded these parts and made a square tube like this. Okay. After that, I was supposed to make 2 cylindrical tubes. One is this. This tube has been again made using this type of card. You can see that the length of the card is exactly the same, and I folded the card, not the tube, folded the card lengthwise. See, this is the length. I folded it, and this was a long tube which was made. Then another tube was to be made like this. This tube was made by folding the card widthwise like this. Now, we have got 4 different tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these tubes have been made with cards which have got exactly same area. These type of cards. And you can see that these cards have exactly same area, right? They have got exactly same area. Now, what do we want to find out? We want to find out which of these tubes have got more volume. You would feel that since the surface area of all these tubes is the same because they have been made with the help of the cards which are identical. So all of them should have the same volume. But you will be surprised to know this is not the case. How are we going to find out their volume? To find their volume, we are going to fill dal in it. And we are going to see which one of them is going to hold the maximum amount of dal. The tube which holds maximum amount of dal will have the maximum volume. Yes. Still you find it difficult to believe that they are going to have different volume. Okay, come, let's do it and see. So children, first of all, I am going to fill up the dal in this pipe which is cylindrical and which has a circular mouth. Just see, I'll have to tap the dal so that it goes down. I don't have sand, so I selected dal, the tiniest dal which was there in my house. I selected it. This will also give us a fair idea. I will tap it nicely so that I come to know how much dal. Okay. Now children, you can see that this is full of dal, and now this dal I am going to pour in this pipe which has a square mouth. I'm going to put this dal in this pipe and let me see whether both the pipes have the same volume or not. Okay, let us start. I'll have to hurry up, otherwise it will take too much of time and you will get bored. So let me do it fast. If we had sand, it would have slipped very, very easily. But since dal is there, so the grains take some time to slip. Okay, now it is about to get filled up. I will show it to you. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, now if you see, this is almost full. This pipe is almost full, but still there you can see there is dal in this. In this pipe with circular end, there is dal in this. You can see there is dal in this. It means this has got more volume than the pipe which has the square mouth or the square shaped mouth. Okay. Now after this, now I am going to try and pour the dal of this pipe into the other pipe which has a triangular shaped mouth. See, this is in the form of a triangle. I am going to put this dal in this pipe. Okay. Let me again do it fast, otherwise it will take a lot of time. Okay. Let me see. It is slipping inside. Yes, it's almost full. Little bit is left. Okay, let me pour some more into it. Okay. Okay, it is also about to get fully filled up. Okay, now children, you can see it is almost full, little bit is left. Okay, let me put little bit more dal in it so that the triangular pipe also gets filled up completely with dal. Okay. Okay, now children, you can see that this triangular pipe has got fully filled up with dal, and in this pipe which has got a square mouth, still some dal is there. Okay, I'm going to spill it over here and show it to you. So it means the volume of this pipe with square mouth is more than the volume of the pipe with the triangular mouth. So children, this pipe with triangular mouth has the least volume. After that, the pipe with the square mouth has got more volume, and the pipe with the circular mouth has got the maximum volume. And I'm sure you must have seen water pipes and all of them have got a circular mouth. And today you have realized why our water pipes have circular mouth. Okay, after this, now I am going to compare the volume of these two pipes which have been made with the help of the same card. One has been folded widthwise and another has been folded lengthwise. This I am going to do it for you in a minute. Okay children, now these are the two pipes. This pipe has been made with the help of the same card, identical card, but it was folded lengthwise. This pipe has been made by the again the same identical card, but it has been folded widthwise. Now I have filled it up full with dal. You can see that. Now I'm going to pour this dal in this pipe and see whether their volume is same or not. Okay, now it is getting filled up and little bit more is required. Okay. Okay, it is about to reach the brim. So children, you can see that this pipe is almost full now. This pipe is almost full, but still there is dal in this pipe. And so much of dal is there in this pipe. It means the volume of this pipe is more than the volume of this pipe. So children, these were the discoveries which we made today. So children, what a nice activity. So you have come to know that keeping the surface area same, we can have things which have different volume. So the volume of these two, you must be feeling that these two are circular, they have got circular openings, so their volume will be same. But no, their volume also was not same. So keeping the surface area same, we can have different types, different shapes of tubes with different volumes. So this is the learning from this activity. That's all for today, children. But mind it, you must do this activity yourself, because when you do it yourself, you always learn more. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.